Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in Wondershare Verbo, and I'm going to show you how you can use one tool to create amazing faceless videos for YouTube. And not only that, you can make a lot of money doing it. If you look at my channel, you'll notice that I am not on any of my videos. It's completely faceless, and I'm not going to brag, but I make a few bucks on here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it using Verbo, because now you can use one AI tool and get it all done. It's wild. I'm going to show you how. Let's go. All right, the next step's an easy one. Head over to their website. Link is in the description below, and then just go ahead and click on sign in. I'm on their website. One thing I want to show you real quickly here is they've got 3 products. They've got an online version, they've got a Windows version, they've got a mobile version. So depending on what platform you're on, go ahead and use one. I'm going to use the online version because I think it's great. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Start Online for free, and presto, I am logged in. Also, before we start, guys, keep in mind that not only are we going to create faceless YouTube videos, these videos are monetizable by YouTube, and better yet, they allow you to get a recurring revenue stream. What am I talking about? Well, every month I get paid. So if I make a video today and it gets me views tomorrow and it gets me views 6 months from now, I get paid on that. It's pretty wild. Verbo allows you to do that. All right, now let's dig in and start creating some videos. All right, here we are. We're logged in. Let's roll. Okay, guys, so the first thing I want to mention real quickly here is that there are many different styles of faceless videos, and especially faceless videos that you can monetize. In this video, I'm going to show you my 2 favorite ones, but there's a lot here. So I'm going to start off with an AI avatar video. That's the first one. And then I'm going to show you the brand new URL2 video. And I really like this one because you can actually get paid twice on these videos. Yes, literally you can get double paid. I'm going to show you how that works. But hey, there's other ones here. For example, video translate. Maybe you have a YouTube channel in English like I do, and you want to upload videos in French on another channel and monetize that channel. It's literally one click. You can go ahead and do that. It's absolutely wild. You know what? While I got you on the screen here, let me quickly show you the video translate. It's pretty wild here. I click on this here. Check this out. You can upload a video and it will translate it for you. But the thing I really want to show you is the target language here. Look at all of these different languages that you can go ahead and translate your content into. It is literally one click, super easy to do. I'm going to create a video on this topic shortly, but I wanted to point that out while I had you. Montage makers, AI clip generator, if you want to take a long video, for example, and then clip out shorts, like 60-second shorts, and then upload those on your channel, get paid for those. Also doable. So there's lots here, guys. However, the first one I want to show you is the AI avatar video. I'm going to click up here at the top, create AI avatar video. And then very quickly here, you get 2 options. You can create a landscape. This is the standard widescreen if you have a longer video in mind, or you can go ahead and click on portrait, which is great for shorts and TikToks. Let's go with that one to start here. I'm going to click on create video, and then look at that. We're now in. We can start making some changes. I'm going to show you how that works in a second. Let's go. All right, so the first style I want to show you is the AI avatar style. If you've been on YouTube Shorts or you've been on TikTok, they are taking over social media. And in Wondershare Verbo, they are absolutely a piece of cake to create. Here we go. So here's the default style. We've got this pretty lady against a nice pinkish background. But it's Christmas coming up. We want to sell something that has to do with Christmas. Watch this. I'm going to change the background right here. We're going to put a Christmas tree in the background. Look at that. Easy to do. Maybe we want a Santa Claus as our avatar. I'm going to click on avatars. One click, bam. Now we got Michael in his Santa suit. Or maybe we want Scarlet. I like Scarlet for reasons. I'm just going to leave it at that. Okay, I got Scarlet in her Santa Claus suit. I like it a lot. Okay, you see how easy this is? This is literally one click the whole way. That said, there's an AI component. Watch this. I'm going to go down here to the bottom, and you're going to see here that we can either A, type in our own script. So if I have something I want to say, I could just type it in here, hello. But if I don't, here's where the AI kicks in. They've got an AI scripting feature. Well, they will go ahead and do this. Now, when I click on this, watch this. It's going to load up this little option here. We're going to take a quick look through it. But previously, you had to use a platform like ChatGPT to go ahead and help you write a script. You don't have to do that anymore. It's now inside Wondershare Verbo. You can save yourself some money there. You don't have to apply and pay for that. So here we go. So I'm going to go write a script for a Christmas Carol songbook. I'm just going to go something like that, and I'll hit send. It's going to go ahead and look at that. It's probably going to ask me for a little information because I wasn't too well. You know what? No, it's ready to go. It says, sure, I can help you with that. Below is the script for a Christmas Carol songbook. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. Watch this. Here's our script. Again, all done in Wondershare Verbo. No external software. If you don't like this script, you can go ahead and start making changes in here. So instead of, filling you home for this holiday season, I could change that to Christmas. And I'll put an exclamation mark on that, and then bam, done. Also, while I got you here, look how easy this is. We're going to go over here. This is the voice. I'm going to go ahead and change her voice. Like, let's say we don't want her voice. We want to go with a different one. So I'm going to go with, let's go with French, Vivienne. Okay, I like that. Maybe we don't want to go too French. Let's go with Ava, gentle English. Yeah, that sounds about right. We've swapped out the voice. I mean, we are ready to roll. Let's hit play and see what it sounds like. Here we go.
Get ready to spread some holiday cheer with our Christmas Carol Songbook. Dive into the festive spirit with classic tunes.
Amazing. We did all that, and it was all done with AI and a single click. We were just clicking and changing things. If you get it right the first time, you can export it. If you want to make changes to it, you can go ahead and do that. Maybe you want to add in some stickers. I don't know. Maybe make something like this here. We're going to have a sale. Okay, let's add a sale, and let's put that over her head, and let's resize it, and then bam, something cool like that, guys. It is all doable. Then click on export, and literally your job is done. You can edit them when they're done, but in most cases you don't need to. And this is a very fast way to create monetizable videos for social media, especially YouTube, with literally just a couple of clicks. Now, let's look at URL to video and show you how you can get double paid. All right, so that's how you create AI avatars. And yes, you can monetize them. They're faceless videos. They monetize great. That said, I want to show you my favorite style, and that's URL to video. This is very, very new, but watch this. I'm going to click on it right here. It's going to open up a new tab, and then you'll see here you can drop a link to your product listing to generate ad video content now. Now, previously, I said that you get double paid on this. And think about this. Here's how it works. In this case, we're going to go with an Amazon product. Let's say you are an Amazon affiliate and you sell dog beds, for example, and you got an affiliate code, an affiliate link, etc. All you need to do is grab the URL. In this case, I'm just going to copy it here, and then I'm going to paste it right into the analyze URL. I'll click on paste. Presto, I'm going to click on Analyze URL. And here's the thing. It brings in the images and the video just like this, and it's literally one click. Keep in mind, in terms of the double payment, you get paid not only as an affiliate partner for selling it, but if you upload videos to YouTube and they get views, you get paid on that as well through the YouTube partnership program. When you make the number, you get paid. So there are two ways to get paid. Now, as I've gone ahead and analyzed the URL, you'll see it brought in a whole bunch of images here. These are the exact same images that you'll find on the Amazon store here. So you'll see here, look at these images here. It brought them in. Let's go back to Wondershare Verbo. And then we got a couple of questions here. We got a couple of things we can do. Ratio, I like 9:16 because I'm going to create a short, but if you want to create a wide video, go ahead and select 16:9. 1:1 is also available. That's great for Instagram, but we're not going to be creating an Instagram video in this one. And duration, I select 1 minute, but you can get up to 2 minutes here right out of the box. 1 minute's safe because that way it stays under the 60-second requirement for YouTube and TikTok shorts. And then finally, your English. And last but definitely not least is AI avatar and voiceover. So you get options here. You can have an AI avatar and a voiceover, or you can only have the AI voiceover without the avatar. So depending on the style you're going for, select which one works best for you. After you've got that done here, you've seen it's already brought in the information here. It's just going to go ahead and create a script and a video. Let's click on Generate Video. All right, and here we go. Here's the first kick at the can, and I can already tell I like it here. You'll see that it's got the avatar up here in the top right. It's got the exact image from the Amazon video. So let's go ahead and click play, and let's just hear it. This might be a little bit loud, actually. Let me turn the volume down here. Let's hit play and see a little bit, see what it sounds like.
Imagine your best friend sprawled out in total bliss on a plush, cozy dog bed that's nothing short of a dreamland. Our ultra-soft rose velvet bed wrapped.
Okay, so there we go. Now, it's very, very good. It's not perfect, but that's okay. We can edit it and we can make changes as we see fit. That said, I'm going to change the voice. Maybe I want a little bit more of a holiday Christmassy voice. And, maybe I want to swap an image or two out. So easy to do. Let's click on edit up here at the top right. So we got something. We're working with it. Now we got this guy as our avatar. Hey, you know what? Let's swap him out. Let's change the avatar. Let's go ahead and put a Christmas guy in. Do you want to do Christmas? I want to do Michael the Christmas Santa. Okay, done. Look at that here. That was that simple. Again, easy. The voiceover, right now it's got Jacob, and it sounded a little bit monotonic to me, so I'm going to go with, you know what? Who's the really, really good one that I like? I like Soda. Let's click on Soda. You can listen to it, by the way. Let's listen to it.
Wondershare Verbo.
See, pretty darn good. I'm going to click on Soda, then I'm going to select. So there we go. We got Soda, and that's a great name. When it comes to background music, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. But you know what? You can go ahead and add in a different song if you wanted to. I'm not going to. If you want to put subtitles on it, look at that, how easy it is to add them. Piece of cake, and you can actually go a little further here and change the subtitles. But I'm going to leave them off. And finally, and definitely not last but not least here, you can change anything in the script. So you'll see here, scene 1. This is the script for scene 1. If you want to change that and maybe add something at the end, you can just go ahead and type it in. Also, if you don't like the image or the video that it selected, you can just click on this button here and swap something else in. So if I wanted to swap in maybe I wanted to swap in a logo for my website. I don't know. I'm just having some fun here. You can go ahead and do that. And then you'll see it's already updated. Kingy AI, there's my brand. That's my website. It was that simple. Awesome. Finally, click on export video, guys and gals. And literally that's it. We're going to create another faceless YouTube video. You can upload these. It's under 60 seconds. It's going to be ready. It's going to be monetizable. It's literally that easy with Wondershare Verbo. You don't need any other software, nothing else. It's all done, guys. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be back soon.